Good afternoon everyone, my name is Arzu and my team members are Sandeep and Subramaniam. I'm going to present a video on private nursing school which is now yet to be developed in Australia and it needs information security. So I'm going to discuss about the certification and accreditation this company needed. So there's a difference between certification and accreditation where the accreditation means getting the approval from the authority that the system can approve without any problem, whereas the certification means individual assurance and acceptance of the system that are monitored by the authority. So now the question comes whether this company needs accreditation or certification. Yes, this company needs accreditation and certification in Australia. So now there are different steps that companies should need for certification and accreditation, such as security assessment, audit view, the system architecture, and to assess the implementation of effective of security measures. Now, my friend Subramanya will continue about the next topic based on this.
Thank you also for the information. Now I'm going to explain about whether the satellite campus need a certification accreditation. Yes, of course, it's need a certification accreditation because it is a part of organization which is located in a different part of the country or different countries. So the satellite campus will provide the same facilities and same service like a main campus for students. The students can learn through online. The students having some issues like personal issues, like financial problem, physical disabled students, they don't want to come to uni. They don't want to spend much time in the uni. So they can spend the time in a home just having an online through the studies. They can study everything in online. So that is the main use of satellite campus. There are many universities which are providing a satellite campus in the world and all over in Australia. There are few universities, but I'm going to explain only about the CQ. CQ is also one of the university which is providing a satellite campus. The rest of the part will be continued by my teammate Sandeep. Thank you.
Thank you, Subramaniam. Coming to my part, which professional organization would likely to be involved in the process of certification and accreditation? A professional association is usually a non-profit organization seeking to further a particular profession with the internet of an individual and public as well. There are many professional organizations which used in the different sectors, which provides the certification, accreditation, and authentication as well. There are professional organizations in Australia such as JHACO, NCQA, which provides accreditation, whereas ANCC, NCC are the American worldwide standard for certification. Moreover, there are also the Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, AHPRA, Nursing and Midwifery Board of Australia, NMBA, provides certificate and accreditation in Australia. We hope Chandana, you will like our video. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you, man.